Hi, welcome to all. Today we are discussing about digestion of the complex molecules. First, what is the food? The food containing complex molecules. The food containing the complex molecule, it is converts into simple substances presence of the enzyme. Those are known as the complex molecules. Complex molecules are there is a four different type of complex molecules are there in our food. First one, protein. Protein is one of the complex molecule. Protein, fats, carbohydrates, and last one is nucleic acids. Nucleic acids. These are known as a complex of the food. These are converted into simple ones. Presence of the enzyme that is called as a digestion. Today we are discussing the digestion of the complex molecules. So first we are discussing about the protein digestion. Well, the protein is source of the protein is plants and animals. The plant products and animal products. The plant products are known as a pulses, nothing but seeds and pulses. The animal products are milk and milk products. First one, plant products, pulses and seeds. Pulses are seeds are same seeds. Animal products known as milk and milk products. Milk products. Most important is egg and meat, some amount of the meat. It is also animal protein. Meat also animal protein. It is a source of the protein. 1 gram of the protein, it is gives 5.65 kilocalories of the energy. 1 gram of protein, it gives 5.65 kilocalories of the energy. 5.65 kilocalories of the energy. The proteins are can be classified into three types. The proteins are can be classified into three types. What are the first one? Is known as a simple proteins. Simple proteins. Second one, conjugated proteins. Conjugated proteins. Third one is derived protein. Simple protein, conjugated protein, and derived protein. First one, simple protein. These are have a simple amount of the amino acids and together to formation of one of the polypeptide bond. What are they? A simple amino acids, formation of a polypeptide bonds. Polypeptide bonds. The simple proteins are very easy to digest. Example, albumin and globulin. These are simple proteins. Next one, conjugated protein. What is a conjugated protein? The protein is connected with another non-protein molecules. Those proteins are called as a conjugated proteins. One protein molecule is bind with nothing but connect with bind with a non-protein molecule. This type of proteins are called as a conjugated proteins. Example, glycoproteins. And next one, nucleoproteins. Third one is the derived protein. What is the derived protein? The derived proteins are nothing but these are partial digestion of the proteins, presence of the enzyme. So this type of proteins are called as a derived protein. These are partial digestion of the protein. A partial hydrolysis of the proteins. Hydrolysis, not a digestion. Partial hydrolysis of proteins are called as a derived protein. Examples, proteases and peptones. Examples, proteases, peptones. After the partial hydrolysis, nothing but the partial digestion of the proteins in stomach region, when these are leads into small intestine consists of pancreatic echini. The pancreatic echini secretes of pancreatic juices. First one, the partial digestion in stomach region, partial digestion of the protein in stomach. These are leads into small intestine. Small intestine. In small intestine, these are having a pancreatic acini. This pancreatic acini secretes of four different type of protein enzymes known as trypsinogen, carboxypeptidase, next one protease. The pancreatic acini, it secretes the four different type of enzymes into small intestine region, nothing but duodenum region. Trypsinogen, chymotrypsinogen, procarboxypeptidase and proteases. These are completely inactive in form. When it is enters into the duodenum region, the small intestine glands are succus entericus, nothing but enterokinase enzymes are activation of these four enzymes. These are activated by these four enzymes are activated by enterokinase. Activated by enterokinase. Trypsinogen is converts into trypsin. Trypsinogen converts into trypsin presence of enterokinase, as well as chymotrypsinogen. It converts into chymotrypsin. Proteases, peptones are converts into simple amino acids. Presence of trypsin. And chymotrypsin. Very, very important. Chymotrypsin. Trypsin and chymotrypsin. What are the first one? The proteins, proteases, peptones are the actioning on the presence of trypsin and chymotrypsin. Trypsin and chymotrypsin is converts into tripeptides, dipeptides. The proteins, proteases and peptones are converts into tripeptides and dipeptide presence of trypsin and chymotrypsin. Next one, the tripeptides and dipeptides are tripeptides. These are converts into dipeptides. Presence of tripeptidase. Ase means enzyme. Tripeptidase. As well as dipeptides. Tripeptides and amino acids. Dipeptides are converts into monopeptides or amino acids. The presence of dipeptidase. So this is the trypsin and chymotrypsin actioning on protein, proteases and peptones are converted into trypsin and dipeptides. The tripeptides and dipeptides are presence of tripeptidase and dipeptidase converts into simple amino acids. The amino acids are the amino acids are one of the end product of the protein. Amino acids are end product of protein. What is the importance of the protein? The protein is one of the building blocks of the human body. It is increasing the body mass of individuals, and it is repairs the cells. What is that? It is known as the building blocks of the human body. Blocks of human body, nothing but it is increase the mass volume, increase the muscle, increase muscle mass, and repair the cells. Repair cells. Every protein is a one of the hormone, but every hormone is not a protein. Every hormone is formed by protein. Hormones are hormones. Hormones are formed by protein. So these are use of the proteins. If the deficiency of the protein, that is leads into kwashiorkor. In this deficiency of the protein in their meal, those are affected by the kwashiorkor. In this condition, there never a development of their body mass. Lipids digestion. The lipids are very rich amount of the energy sources, nothing but the reservoir of the energy. So 1 gram of the fats, it gives 9.1 kilocalories of the energy. It is a reservoir of the energy, and 1 gram of fats gives 9.1 kilocalories of the energy. What is the source of the fats? The source of the lipid is ghee and milk products, oil, ghee, milk products, and oils. The lipids are never digestion in buccal cavity and stomach region. So these are directly enters into the small intestine region. In the small intestine, the duodenum of the small intestine consistent of two glands to connect with the two glands known as hepatic gland and pancreatic glands. These hepatic glands are secretion of bile juices, and the pancreatic glands are secretion of pancreatic juices. The pancreatic juices are known as a pancreatic acini. The pancreatic acini secretion of lipase. Which one? Pancreatic acini, very important. Pancreatic acini or echini or acini secretes lipase. AS means enzyme. Which one? End with AS means enzyme. Lipase. Next one, the hepatic glands are secretion of bile juices. Bile juices. Lipids are emulsificated by bile juices. Bile juices. It converts into mixed cells, nothing but emulsificated are formation of mixed cells. These mixed cells are consistence of triglycerides, diglycerides, and monoglycerides are there. Then first one, the triglycerides. The triglycerides are converts into diglycerides. Presence of lipase. The triglycerides are converts into diglycerides. Presence of lipase. Lipase is actioning on triglycerides and converts into diglycerides. Next one, the diglycerides are converts into monoglycerides. Third one, monoglycerides are converts into presence of lipase. The monoglycerides converts into fatty acids and glyceroids. Fatty acids and glyceroids. Presence of lipase. So this is known as the digestion of lipids.